Let's cook another Appalachian supper. What is on the menu tonight? Come on, let's find out. There's so much versatility to a traditional Appalachian supper. We usually have various meats, veggies, proteins, something hearty to fill the stomach on those hard-working days. As you can see here, the spread is quite significant. We have some fresh salmon patties, baked beans, cream corn from the garden, and of course, deviled eggs. Something a little different that makes for a delicious meal. We're always thankful for our meals around here, especially after a hard-working day. That is a delicious Appalachian supper.